Yep, that's what your hands could look like. Go ahead and keep watching. Today I'm breaking down some combos that are guaranteed to make you look like you actually know what you're doing in the gym. And at the end, 2 landmine exercises that'll put some real heat behind your punches. Let's get into it. Starting out with a jab jab. The double jab. Simple, effective, and somehow still messed up by 90% of beginners. Use it to find range, disrupt rhythm, and set up literally everything else on the list. The 1-2, also known as the jab cross. This is the bread and butter. The combo that's been finishing fights since boxing was invented. If you can't throw this cleanly, nothing else matters. So go back to the basics. Jab, cross, jab. 1-2-1. Now we're adding a jab at the end to reset your position. Sneaky, and your opponent won't love it. That third jab keeps them honest and puts you right back in stance. This is smart boxing. Jab, jab, cross. 1-1-2. Double jab to close distance, then you crack them with a cross. This is a classic setup. The first jab probes, the second jab commits, the cross collects. Jab, cross, hook. The 1-2-3. One of the most satisfying combinations in boxing. Full stop. Cross draws her guard in, hook goes right around it. This is textbook stuff. Jab, jab, cross, hook. 4 shots total. Double jab buys you time, cross opens the door, hook walks right in. If you land this clean, frame it. Put it on the wall. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 1-2-1-2. The finisher, the closer, the good night combo. Hook pulls her guard to one side, that final cross has a clear lane. This is what people mean when they say, setting up your power shots. Best way to go about these combinations is to start out slow and make sure you're getting the movements correct. If you have to, rewind some of this and look at it again, and again, and again. Okay, so now that you have the combinations down, let's make sure they actually hurt. 2 landmine exercises. No excuses. Exercise number 1. Rotational punches. This trains the hip rotation that actually generates power, not your arms. Your arms are just along for the ride. Low the bar light, drive from the hips, and punch through the movement. You'll get it immediately. Exercise number 2. The split jerk switch. Explosive leg drive, full body coordination, power transfer from the ground up. Everything your punches need. This one looks weird the first time. Do it anyway. Your cross will thank you. So there you have it. 7 combinations, 2 exercises. 0 reasons your hands should still be slow. Go put in the work, and if this helped, drop a like and subscribe, because there's a lot more where that came from.